If you've ever blown a trading account, you know how hard it is to stay focused when real money's on the line. The pressure makes you guess your analysis, close trades too early, or hold losing trades for too long. Now imagine having a real $35 Forex account you can trade with zero deposit and no initial KYC required to practice under real conditions without risking a cent. I've been a full-time trader for more than 6 years, and I know exactly how emotional real money trading can be, especially for beginners. So I decided to test one of the latest no-deposit bonuses available right now. And after some days of live trading on this bonus account, I've made solid profits. And in this video, I'm placing a withdrawal to see if we can actually cash out. I spent nearly a month researching this broker, understanding their terms, and testing the offer myself. So this isn't just theory. And throughout this video, you'll know where this bonus comes from, the real lot size requirements, if it's available in your country, whether withdrawals are legit, what the catch is, most importantly, how long you have to claim it. And as a bonus to anyone that stays until the end of this video, I'm going to reveal the trading strategy that made me fulfill the lot requirement so fast. It actually felt as if I cheated. So let's break it all down and I'll show you exactly how to get yours before it disappears. But before we dive in, it's important you understand what a Forex no deposit bonus actually is and why brokers even offer them. That'll help you use it the right way. A Forex no deposit bonus is a promotional offer where a broker gives you free trading capital, usually between $10 and up to $500, without requiring you to deposit any of your own money. Now, why do brokers offer no deposit bonuses? First, you should note that it's not charity, but a smart business idea. Here's why. Number 1. To attract new traders. Most brokers are fighting for attention. A no deposit bonus gives traders a risk-free reason to try their platform without commitment. Number 2. To lead you into a funded account. Once you start trading, and hopefully winning, you'll get emotionally invested and more likely to make a real deposit later. Number 3. To build trust and test the platform. Some brokers want to prove their platform is legit and functional, and if you like the tools, spreads, and withdrawal process, you'll stick around. Number 4. Data and volume. The more active accounts they have, even bonus ones, the better their volume stats and potential commissions from liquidity providers. But there's always a catch. 1. You usually have to trade a certain number of lots in order for you to withdraw. 2. Withdrawal might be limited to profits, not the bonus. 3. You might only get one bonus per IP or email. And lastly, most brokers eventually ask for KYC before withdrawing. Now this is the part that most YouTubers never explain, where the bonus actually comes from and why this broker is giving away real money. The bonus comes from a regulated broker called MaxifyFX, who's trying to attract new traders in 2025. Their strategy is simple: offer a no deposit bonus so traders can test their platform and then convert those traders into long-term clients. And yes, I verified that this broker is legit and not one of those shady offshore platforms. MaxifyFX is registered and licensed by St. Lucia with registration number 00670-2023. They are located in various countries, including the United Arab Emirates, Dubai, Egypt, and Libya. But of course, just getting the bonus isn't enough. You need to know what you have to do to withdraw it. Now, most no deposit bonuses have some sort of lot requirement before you can withdraw any profits. If you're new to trading, a lot is just the standard unit of measurement for trading volume. Basically, the more you trade, the higher the lot size. And brokers often require you to trade a certain amount before allowing you to withdraw any profits from the bonus. For this particular offer, MaxifyFX requires you to trade 5 standard lots before you can withdraw your profits. That's pretty typical of most bonuses. Personally, I think it's pretty fair, considering they're giving you free money to start trading with. But of course, it's still important to keep an eye on those lot requirements because they can affect your risk and trading strategy. Now let's talk about whether this bonus is available to all countries. Because let's be real, some brokers hype these offers only to hit you with a "not available in your region" message when you try to sign up. But during my research, I dug deep into the broker's terms and tested access from multiple regions. And the good news is, there are no country restrictions. So no matter where you're watching this from, this bonus is 100% available to you. Now let's get to the part that really matters.
Yeah, boy.
Can you actually withdraw the profits from this account? Because a bonus means nothing if you can't touch the profits. Most brokers fail this test. They'll let you trade with the bonus, but then hit you with withdrawal blocks, hidden KYC demands, or fees when it's time to cash out. So after meeting the lot requirement, I placed a withdrawal request. I recorded the entire process and waited to see what would happen. And here's exactly what happened. After hitting the trading requirement, I had a balance of $82 in my account. So I submitted a withdrawal request, and within a few hours the money was processed and credited instantly. At that point, I knew this wasn't just another gimmick. I felt confident saying, this broker is actually reliable. Now at this point, everything sounds a little too good, right? So let's talk about the catch. If you're thinking, what's the trick? You're not wrong to ask. Most brokers bury this stuff in the fine print. With this bonus, the catch is, you can only withdraw profits, not the bonus itself. You have 30 days to meet the lot requirement. It's one account per person, no double dipping. And yes, they will request identity verification before the withdrawal hits your account. So it's not a scam. It's just how they protect themselves while offering real funds. But now you know exactly what you're walking into. And honestly, the terms and conditions are not hard to fulfill if you have the right strategy. And by the end of this video, I'll share the strategy I used to raise my own account. Now I know some of you are thinking, okay Emmanuel, this sounds great, but how do we know this isn't just another scam? Let's clear that up. And honestly, it's a good question. The Forex space is full of shady brokers offering fake bonuses just to collect user data or trap people with impossible conditions. So before recommending anything, I looked into the company's background, licensing, and how long they've been active. I also tested their customer support and watched how they handled the withdrawal. On top of that, I searched through forums, reviews, and Reddit threads to make sure this wasn't just a one-time fluke. And after all of that, plus my own experience getting a fast withdrawal, I can say with confidence, this broker is legit. And no, this is not a sponsored video. They are all my personal experience with the platform. That said, always read the terms carefully and make sure you're trading within the rules they set. Also, conduct your own research for extra confirmation before stepping into this company. But for an initial no KYC, real withdrawal bonus, this one's the real deal. Now, if you're planning to grab this later, you might want to rethink that, because this offer won't be around forever. From what I found during my research, the broker hasn't listed a fixed end date, but these types of no deposit bonuses usually expire without warning, especially once they hit their sign-up limit or marketing goal. So if you're serious about testing this broker risk-free, I would recommend claiming it while it's still available. Even if you don't trade right away, at least you've secured the account. Alright, now that you know this bonus is real, withdrawable, and available in your country, let me show you exactly how to claim it before it disappears. Now the sign-up process is simple on the surface, but this is where most traders mess it up and end up getting rejected when they try to withdraw. They think it's just enter your name, email, password, and done. But then, after making profits, they hit a wall and lose access because of small mistakes made during registration. So in this part, I'm going to show you exactly what to do and what to avoid, so you don't waste time, miss your bonus, or get blocked from withdrawals. Let's walk through it step by step. The link to this website will be in the description box of this video. Make sure to join my Telegram channel for the latest updates. After getting the link, you'll be brought here. Now start by filling in your details. Make sure it matches the details on your identity card. Select your date of birth correctly, and make sure it matches the details on your identity card. Now fill out every other details and make sure it is accurate, because after registration, you can't change it again. Once you are done with filling your info, make sure to cross-check it for mistakes, and if everything looks cool, click the continue button below. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Copy it and paste it right here, and then click continue to proceed. Once that is done correctly, you will be redirected to this page. As you can see guys, I've not yet done verification. Now this is just to prove you can get it without verification. If you're also on this page, click the verify later button at the top of your screen. Your dashboard should start loading immediately. Now this is how your dashboard should look like after signing up. And when I scroll to bottom of this page, you can see that I have nothing in my wallet. Now let's get the bonus. By the way, click on the Me icon at the top and complete your info in the Profile Info and Verification tabs. Once that is done, click the button with a red icon and a menu will slide out. Now click on the MT5 button right here to proceed to the next step. But first, since we are doing clicking things now, click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell icon to stay updated on my future videos. Once it's done loading, click the button below to create new MT5 account right here. After clicking the button, this page will pop up. Now follow me step by step as I select the required info for this bonus account. After selecting everything as I've shown, click on the Add New Account button. Now wait for the creation process to be completed before proceeding to the next step. After your account has been created successfully, you will see $0 as your balance. Now don't worry much about that because the bonus was credited automatically as credit. All you have to do right now is to log into your MetaTrader 5 app, and you can get the login credentials in your Gmail account you used to sign up. Now to retrieve your login credentials, simply log into the Gmail account you used during registration, and search for a new message from MaxifyFX. At the body of the message, you should see the login credentials for your MT5 account. All you have to do now is to copy them to your clipboard and head over to MetaTrader 5 app. On your MetaTrader 5 app, simply search for the broker and paste your login credentials, and you'll be logged in immediately. Now all I did right here was to make technical analysis using trend lines. After hours of analysis, I noticed a pullback was about to occur. So I placed a sell immediately, and within some hours I got $17 profits. So I continued trading throughout that week and made more till I got to the withdrawal threshold. Now if you have any issues when claiming this bonus, simply message me on Telegram using the link in the description box, or you can watch the video that just popped up to get free $100 right now. With no KYC required and 100% still available to claim, make sure to subscribe and like this video as a way of saying thank you. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video.